Hello everyone, Coach Shirzad here, and today we're going to set up KLAVIYO email marketing. So right off the bat, KLAVIYO marketing and SMS app, click install and add it to your store. Once you have that, you'll have the KLAVIYO page. You just need to sign up with your details, and once you are in, make sure your URL is correct. And you just go here, you just check out everything, make sure everything is good. So if you like, you can import your email subscribers to KLAVIYO, but keep in mind that KLAVIYO does start charging you if you have more than a certain amount of subscribers. So you can choose that if you like or not, but I choose not to because we're only going to set up abandoned cart sequence. So I'll just leave the settings the way it is and update settings, and that's about it. And we let it do its thing. So we just update integration. All right, your Shopify settings has been updated and it's syncing with our store. So first things first, we will go to flows on the left, and we're gonna have a whole bunch of different flows. As you can see in mine, I have different flows. But if you don't see any flows, you just press create flow, and from here you can search for abandons. See, it already knows right here, browse abandoned cart flows. So this is what they already give us. So what we do is we just click it and create flow, just like that. So it says it triggers when someone viewed products. Let's see, what does it actually mean? All right, so it's basically they have the product, they added the cart, they checked out, and they left their emails. So as you can see, there's only one flow within this flow itself, but we're gonna go much further than this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna exit this one out. So in your case, you're gonna just stick with that flow. For the example, I'm gonna show you my flow I've just created. So this is how it's gonna go. So you wanna set the trigger to when someone check out has been started, wait 30 minutes and send this email flow. And after that, wait 4 hours, send a second flow. And so this one is the draft, so this one doesn't send. That's just my backup template. And after that, wait 22 hours and send the flow. Don't worry, we'll get into each one of these and show you what they're actually saying. And this is also another draft, so this one doesn't send. And after that, wait 1 day and send the flow. This one actually needs to be, you can click on it and change it to hours. Let's change it to 48 well, let me just check here real quick. Yep, 48 hours. Perfect. There's a reason for that, so I will show you once we go through all of them. Now let's have a look and see what our first abandoned email looks like. So let's click on it, and on the you can do left side, you can do edit, and here you can just edit whole bunch of different things. So first, what you want to do is give your flow a name. So for mine is abandoned cart email 1 2023, and subject line is your order. This is what they will see in their mail app, nice and simple. And preview text is you left this, and the sender name is Julia from cravefancy.com, and sender is at info@cravefancy.com. So for this, you can just put your own Gmail account if you don't have a actual domain email. But if you do, you can put that. Because if people reply, you want to make sure this email works. Alright, so once that's done, so this is what my email looks like, as you can see. So, and it looks like this on mobile. And if I edit, this is where all the good stuff happens. As you can see, this is just the image. So this is, I can just edit anything out and make it look the way I want it to look. So this is all already customized, but you can actually keep this nice and simple. So there's many different templates out there for KLAVIYO, but what I like to do is look at competitors' KLAVIYO abandoned sequence and get some ideas from that and see what they are doing. So using that method, this is how I built mine, and this is what they see when they come on their email. So it shows this, made in USA, good quality. This is for a shine-on product. And then here's the message. Hey, first name, our loved ones are the apple of our eyes, the joy of our life, so on, so on. And the product that they actually selected would appear here. And they can just complete my order, or if they have more questions, they can click this and then they can actually check out, or they can actually contact you, one or the other. And I have some couple of different things here that I wrote, and you can feel free to copy it into your own details. And I will show you how to get these templates to match your own style. Alright, so let's just go and look at the other flows. So that was first flow. So the second flow over here, you can see the open rate is 63.6%, which is not bad. See, if we Google what is an email open rate, well, what's an average? Let's have a look. So the average email open rate is 21.5%. But as you can see here, even the first one and second one is way above that. So which is a very good thing. So feel free to copy my titles, subjects, and description. And you can see 0% click rate, 0% active on site, because my KLAVIYO has been disconnected from my website, so it doesn't show the full data. Alright, so let's dig into the second one. Click on this, click edit. And as you can see here, it shows my abandoned cart email too. And the subject is don't leave their gift behind. That's because this is a shine-on product. And the preview is complete your order now. Senders this and that email as we talked about. And let's have a look what the email looks like. Gift you prepared for your loved one is still pending in your cart. And in the second email, I'm offering them a 10% discount. And I said use the code GIFT. So you have to create this discount code in your store so it works. And I have a scarcity as well. It expires in 24 hours. So it will encourage them to buy. So make sure that discount exists in your store. So for example, the name of the discount is gift. As you can see, I don't have it enabled, so alright, so we will do amount of order. Alright, so it's 10% and the code is gift. So here we put gift and the percentage wise $10. No, 10%. and you have to specify the product. So okay, not in this one, so it's okay. So that's basically what you do. Minimum, no minimum required, all customers. Cool. Okay, and then you say save discount. Just like that, this discount will start working and give them a 10% off. All right, and here's the message. I mean, if you want to even edit your stuff, you can just use these things and then you can just click on it, or you can drag it and whatever you want. For example, if I want to put an image above, I drag that, I upload my image, and it's just like that. You can just play around with that. Same as text, you can come in, type in your text, adjust the colors, adjust the background to make it look proper, that suits your brand colors. You can add a whole bunch of stuff, and that's about it from there. So let's leave this here. So when you are creating your flows, since you already just get only one flow at the beginning, you want to make sure the first one is created and all your footers are set up that way, because everything's already populated. So like, for example, let me show you this again. All right. So in the first email, you would do the heavy lifting. In the second, third, fourth, you just duplicate the email and you just change the contents. So for example, your brand up here, your shipping and stuff would stay the same, and your footer is going to stay the same. So when you duplicate it, it'll just take everything over to the next email. So you don't have to keep creating it in every single email. So that's what you need to do. And after that, that's our second. So you just click the triple dots and you do clone. Once you do clone, so here, for example, let's do clone, and it's going to pop up right here, right underneath it. But you have to make sure there's a little delay in between your emails. So for example, see here it says 30-minute, right? You're gonna have this on by default with a different timer. So you're just gonna click the dots, press clone, and you just drag it between your two templates, and then you click it, and you can just adjust the time to 4 hours. Oh, 4 hours. Oops, not 3 or 4, 4 hours, and then you press save. So that's how you would just go about doing that. And after 4 hours, your email 2 would kick in, and you would do the same thing, clone it, and you clone the time again, change it to 22, and then we come to your email number 3. So your email number 3 would look like this. And here we offer them 20% discount. And the product also shows up here. In this preview it doesn't show, but it will be there. And same as before, gift 20, make sure you create that discount. Amount of order, gift 20, 20% off. 20% off. Let me see, here we go. Right, and then you press save. Make sure everything looks good and there's no end time. There we go. There we go. Gift 20 is working. All right. Make sure you actually test those discount codes as well. Check out your product, enter the discount code at the checkout to see if they actually work. All right, so the third email looks like this. I'm just offering them a 20% discount now. And as you can see, let me just show you the other stuff like before. The subject is 2 hours left, last chance for 20% off from Julia, and your email. All right, and after that, we clone another delay, which is going to be 2 days. And in this one, it's going to be a very, very simple email. We're not going to sell them anything. So as we can see here, let's edit. Abandoned cart email 4. Subject line, need help. You left ... for preview text. And let's have a look at the email. All right, so see, this one was just simple. I have my footer as before, and I just say, hey, do you need some help, this and that, and then I say your stuff has been deactivated, which is not really true, but then we're just encouraging scarcity. And this is about it. And this is now we're gonna show you how we can get our own templates. Like there's templates all over the place, like YouTube. Some people give you templates, but if you want to see what your competitors are doing, for example, let's find a competitor. All right, here's a whole list of competitors that I have. So let's go, for example, PrintPod. They're selling a printer. Cool. Add to cart. We're gonna check out their products. Alrighty. Cool. Nice logo, nice checkout, which is nice. And so you would put your actual email in this competitor's website. So I'm gonna say sherzad@gmail.com. I'm gonna make sure to select this as well. Email me with news and offers, because we're spying on our competitors. I'm gonna put our phone number as well. Let me see. Okay, and then you put in your details as well. Let's change that to United States. United States. Okay, random numbers. Continue to free. Oh, I forgot the states. Continue to free shipping. All right. So now they have our details. So they will send us a sequence, whatever their delay is set up on. So you want to keep an eye on your emails and notice how often they send what email, and then you can build off using their templates, and you can just copy paste and change it to your own wording, and that's how you would have your own templates. And I suggest you do this with many different competitors. And I suggest maybe 5 different competitors. That way you get a bigger email templates that you can use from. So you just repeat. As you can see here, you can just have a look at my competitors here. This might be some of your stores, maybe not. You can just visit some of these, Google them, and have a look at their sequence. And also make sure to have the phone as well. That way you get to see their phone sequence as well and see what they're doing. And you can edit that in your SMS bump video. So yeah, that's basically it on how to set up a abandoned cart flow. And this will start generating you a whole bunch of money that you're actually missing out on. And another thing is, as you can see, mine is set to 30 minutes email, then 4 hours another email. So I have another technique over here, which is also sent by Shopify itself from email. So Shopify sends it after 1 hour. Okay, let's see. Email. So I have this one over here. So if you don't have anything, you can just say create campaign. And we will do... So I don't see it here, but you should see the abandoned cart email. because I think since I already have it, it doesn't show. Okay, so we'll just go back. So I just have a pretty basic email that sends out after 1 hour. Here's the email thing. Let me just show you real quick. And the way the flow works is your cart is ready for checkout. This is your products. It's a very simple email, and it's set for 1 hour. So when you're setting this up, it's quite straightforward to set up. So you can even skip this, or you can actually integrate this into your store. It'll increase the chance of the customer buying. So yeah, that would be all for the email template. Thank you.